Hi viewers, welcome to TestBite. This channel mainly focuses on software quality assurance. We will be adding content related to all types of testing, from manual to automation. Please subscribe to the channel for more upcoming tutorials. Today in this video we will be looking into what is a bug report and why it is important, and how to write a good bug report, and its main features. We will be further discussing the key points to consider when reporting a bug. So, let's start with what is a bug report, and why we need to create and log bugs and issues. Okay, so now we know that bugs aren't for any good. They create even more dangerous disasters, just like the bugs you find in your home. So, we always want to get rid of them to make our houses look clean. Just like that, software bugs also can be really dangerous. Getting rid of them is so essential when it comes to quality working software. But we testers do not fix them. We do report them. We looked in detail at what is a bug in our previous video session. So now, what do? We report the bugs, and so that the developer can get some idea about them and find a way to fix them. So, a bug report is nothing but a detailed document that consists of information about the bugs found in the software application or a website. These reports may contain requests and suggestions to overcome the issue. A well-structured and detailed bug report will make a developer's life easier, and thus, we as a team win. So, let me ask you a question. Would you like to open an Instagram account if you are having trouble uploading pictures? Well, obviously, no. Because it's one of the key features of the product. Just like that, nobody wants to end up with software with bugs. As a tester, identifying the bugs is not your only responsibility. You are responsible for reporting them. Because it's what you report is going to get fixed. So, it is important that as a tester, you report the identified bug in a proper way. Only then the developer will get a better understanding of the issue. Through a bug report, you may even give suggestions and solutions to a problem, or even you may mention the root cause of the bug, which will reduce a developer's time in investigating more on the defect and start fixing it. So, it is important that you report the bug in the correct way with the necessary details. It is essential that the report should be effective, and it should communicate well with the developer and the team. The bug should be specific and to the point of the issue we are referring to, and it should be reproducible. If not, the developer will reject the bug as it's irreproducible. An effective bug report should consist of some important features such as title, description, steps to reproduce, priority and severity, and etc. Let's look at the features more in detail. Let's now have a look at the features of a bug report. There can be more features than what we are going to explain. But, in this tutorial, we are going to focus on the main features of a bug report. Let us start with Bug ID. This is the unique identification number for the defect that you log. Using this number we can easily search for specific logged bugs. This is the title of the bug. This should give an overall idea about the bug being reported. This will consist of a detailed description of the bug, including information about the module or the section in which the bug was found. This will give the steps to reproduce the issue found. These are the steps that the developer will be looking for in order to find the root cause, and to actually see the bug himself. This is the impact level of the bug found on the application. The severity level given will give some idea about to which extent the issue found is going to impact the functionality or the performance of the application or the website. This defines the urgency of the reported bug to get fixed. The priority level gives some idea of the bug, whether it needs to be fixed immediately or if it can be carried forward to the next cycle. Here we mention the environment, be it the testing or the production environment, in which the bug was found. Because the bug found in the stage or the testing environment may not be present in the production, and vice versa. This is the user's or the tester's observation when the flaw showed up while testing. This is the expected behavior of the area in which the bug was raised. When the actual result does not tally with the expected result, then it means there's a defect. Last but not least, another important thing to add to the bug report is a screenshot or a screen recorder. This is an image or a video attachment showing the bug encountered, as a proof or as a reference for the developer, to get more idea on the bug. Okay, now we have looked into what is a bug report, why we need a bug report, and its main features. But before and while you log a bug, there are certain key points to consider. The following list shows some of the key points to note while reporting a bug. First, is it actually a bug you're going to report? Is the bug title clear to understand? Does the description clearly explain the bug? Are the steps clearly and correctly mentioned so that it will be easier for the developer to reproduce? And so that you as a tester will not get disappointed by getting the bug rejected by the developer saying it is not reproducible. Then, is the bug already a raised one? Because if it is already raised, then you are wasting both your and the developer's time. Then, you need to make sure that the priority and severity level of the bug are mentioned correctly. Don't worry about how to identify bug priority and severity clearly. We will be creating a separate video for you to get a clear idea. Then, is there any test data that can be included in the report? And then again, last but not least, is the relevant screenshot or screen recorder attached for reference? So, please make sure you go through this as a checklist while reporting an effective bug. We hope you got a clear understanding of how to write an effective bug report. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and leave us feedback in the comments section. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you want to be in touch with our upcoming tutorials.